Hey guys, I'm Ashley at CBD Kratom, and today we're going to talk about the new full-spectrum Todd Adams cartridges. 500 milligrams of CBD and terpene blend to help with different effects that our customers are searching for. So I'm going to start with the power. This one's great for concentration, energy, and focus. Next is going to be senses. So this one is actually for increased intimacy and prolonged arousal. Carb is going to be the next one. So this one is to help appetite suppressant, as well as give increasement of energy, as well as help mood elevate. Sleep is the next one. So this one isn't only going to help you get a better night's sleep, but it's also going to help with the depriving issues when you don't get enough sleep, like anxiety and as well as pain. Social is the next one. So this not only helps with social anxiety, but it also helps with other anxieties as well. Last but not least is going to be the relief one, and this one I'm actually going to show you how to put together so you know how to use your cartridge. So all of these cartridges are going to be a 510 thread. I'm going to be using the Todd Adams battery, and for this one you actually need a magnet. So what you'll do is you'll screw it onto the bottom of your cartridge, like so. Once that's screwed in, on there like that, you're going to actually just drop her in, and then I believe this is charged. We'll see. So you're going to do 5 clicks on, and that'll turn it on. So normally I would leave the mouthpiece on for the customer to take off, but since I'm the one trying it today, I'm going to remove that, and then I'm just going to show you how. So 1 click, and then you inhale. And that's how you use it.